Deleting components from an assembly is very easy to do with a Nitro-CELL. I'm going to open up a little test assembly that we have here. And if I want to get rid of this backplate, the only thing we really need to do is make sure we're using an execute worksheet. Scroll down to the functions that we want to use. For example, delete model. The very first cell here assumes that it's going to be the active assembly by default. So we don't need to enter a specific model name in to target for an assembly. We can just assume that's the one that's currently active. So if I want to get rid of that, I'll type in backplate and press do it, and it will delete that component from the assembly. If we look at this particular component here, and I say suppress, you'll notice that there's a bunch of dependencies for that cone. So if I type in the word cone.prt and then run the do it there, you'll notice that it deletes all of the dependencies that are associated with that. We can also do a wildcard. So I've still got a front plate here. If I type in star_plate.prt, and when I run that, it's going in and looking throughout the entire assembly for anything that matches that wildcard pattern, deleting it and any of the dependencies that are associated with it. For example, that magnet that was associated with that also got deleted because it was a dependency.